Hello everyone.
The National Assembly Speaker, Mapisa Nqakula, has been accused of taking bribes totaling 2.3 million rand from a South African National Defence Force contractor when she was still the Minister of Defence. Mapisa Nqakula has reportedly been implicated in a sworn affidavit submitted by the Investigative Directive ID by Mapisa Nqakula, the owner of Umkhombe Marine. The freight and logistics company reported scored 210 million rand as ANDF tenders in 2019, while the businesswoman was married to the Military Health Services Deputy Surgeon General Newell Ndlovu. The Sunday Times reported that Ndlovu revealed in her affidavit that she gave bundles of cash to Mapisa Nqakula on 10 occasions between November 2016 and July 2019. The alleged bribes were allegedly facilitated by the late Secretary of Defense Sam Gulube, who summoned Ndlovu to his home twice. Umkhombe Marine transported as ANDF cargo across the continent to military missions. Mapisa Nqakula is now a subject of the investigation over the alleged payments. Mapisa Nqakula is now a subject of the investigation over the alleged payments. The National Assembly Speaker told Sunday Times that she was unaware of the investigation against her and said, "If that is what you are saying, that I'm being investigated, I expect that I will be questioned by the directorate, and if I'm being charged, I will be taken to court, and then I will speak for myself." She also admitted that she knew Ndlovu and said, "I have met her." Mapisa Nqakula was elected as the Speaker of Parliament in August 2021. The position became vacant when President Cyril Ramaphosa appointed the previous Speaker, Thandi Modise, as the new Minister of the Defence and Military Veterans following a cabinet reshuffle. Her removal from cabinet came after July unrest, which sparked calls from opposition to Mapisa Nqakula to be sacked. The former defense minister was part of the Justice, Crime Prevention and Security cluster. The cluster was heavily criticized for the handling of the rampant looting and violent riots. Meanwhile, Ndlovu, who's the former chairperson of the South African Aerospace, Maritime and Defense Industries Association, was arrested and charged with fraud in 2020 related to the contracts. She was released with a bail of 80,000 rand. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.